Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today is January 11th, 2021, and today I'm gonna go show you guys why I said what I did at the end of the last video, talking about it's gonna be all for nothing because we're gonna have to take it right back apart again. We're also gonna do some work on the car today. I have a lot of it done, which I'll show you guys when we get outside. It's pretty damn cold outside, so I'm not gonna waste too much time in here because as soon as I go out there and then my fingers turn into icicles, I'm gonna run my tail right back in here, warm up, back and forth until we can do as much as we can for today. So without further ado, let's go check out the car. Yo, it is cold out here, guys. Holy. Let me see if I can do this like one-handed. All right, so here we are. But if you look down, you see the motor's being held up by some wood. And the transmission's on the ground. So, tranny is on the ground. We dropped the tranny. Me, Mike, and Dan, they helped me out. No front axles, no drive shaft. So today we're gonna be dropping the rear diff, or where, somewhere there. Yeah, so dropping the rear diff is my goal today, actually. And that is because we're gonna be taking the motor and transmission, the 6-speed from this car, and we're gonna be throwing it into this bad boy, and this is gonna become my new daily. Really excited. This is actually the color that car was before it was black and then before I made it orange. This one's pretty clean on the other side still. Same thing as that one. I just get really lucky with not very rusty cars, except for the axle nut on that side over there, but that's a different story. Long story short, I had to use Mike's air impact. If any of you guys have used one of those or know what they do, they are goddamn lifesavers. All right, I don't want to waste any more of my fingers' lifetime, so I'm going to get you guys under the car and we're going to check out the rear diff assembly. All right, guys, so under the car, not much warmer. I don't even think I can last that much longer. But so right here, you have two 17s right there and right there, holding up the front of the diff right there. And then on the back, you have two more 17s holding it onto the rear subframe right there. So I've hit them all with some penetrating oil. We're gonna let those soak for a little bit. I might even just go for it and see if it cracks. I'm a little scared too, but I don't know how much longer I can stay out here, so I might just go for it. All right, guys, so I need to stop and take a break. The two right there and right there were being an absolute pain. I got these two. The nut came off. That one, the nut came with the stud because there was too much schmutz on the end of it. I think I'm gonna need the air impact for those guys. The nut on the other side of that bolt right there is stripped, so I'm gonna have to be really careful doing that one. And they're just way too tight on. So I'm gonna see if Mike is up, and if not, I'm just gonna have to wait till he wakes up because I can't get enough leverage for the breaker bar won't even fit. So I'm gonna need to get more leverage. All right, so I am done being on the ground right now. I need to go inside and warm my hands up for a little bit, and I'm gonna text Mike and I'll get back to you guys. Guys, it is no joke cold outside. I don't know if you can see, but like normal hand color, and then my fingertips just get blood red. Same thing on both hands. Yeah, you could tell on that one too. Guys, it is hard to even like twist the bolt off in this type of weather. I mean, I love snow. We've gotten none of it. So I'm really contemplating this whole New England thing right now. I mean, it's cool, but this is just a pain. My nose is running, my hands are freezing. There's a chance for snow, but I mean, it's definitely not gonna happen. So all you guys that live in warm weather, down in the south, maybe a little out west, good on you. Good for you guys. Good for you. I have rust in my mouth. That's disgusting. All right, guys, so big news. Mike just woke up. Bad news. We actually have some homework. So I'm going to go swing over to his house. We're going to try and bang that out. He does not have a laptop charger. So I have mine, of course, because I'm a responsible guy. Sorry, lighting sucks over there. But good thing my laptop has been charging for like 5 days now. So mine is fully charged. We're going to go bang that out real quick. And then he said he was down to help me with the rear diff. We might even be able to get the motor out today. Who knows? I don't know. I'm excited. I don't know. So we're gonna go do that. Maybe I'll show you guys what we're doing. It's online stuff. It's quizzes, whatnot. Yeah. So maybe cold start for the boys. Oh, totally have my high beams on. And we're at Mike's house. We live that close. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was on my way to do homework at Mike's house. And now it's 2 days later because yesterday I had work and it was also freezing, so I didn't want to do anything. Today, I have a little trick up my sleeve because last time the support for the rear diff, the bolts are kind of seized, like pretty bad. But the same way I got the axle nut off, I'm borrowing Mike's air impact. Shout out to Mike. I'm gonna go do that. So it's also brick today, but like, you know, I kind of have to deal with it. I'm gonna head outside and I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. So catch you out there. All right, guys, so I know I didn't record any of it, but it is actually scary how effective the air impact is. That bolt right over there, the nuts are sitting right over there. Literally zipped them right off. So now all I gotta do is if I cannot hit the stop recording button with my finger, I can squeeze these bolts out. All right, that's one. Oh, it's too high. Catch it right there. Oh my God, I keep covering the lens with my finger. Get this one out over here. I'm gonna have to move it forward somehow, actually. I didn't think about that. All right, hold on. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've lowered the diff, and up there, the stud that was once there has just dropped out with the front lowering down. Now the axles are the other part. So what you're gonna wanna do is, obviously you're gonna wanna take the axle nut off. But this piece right here, the little end of the little nub of the axle, I'm literally just gonna put this on it and then hit it with a hammer and just like knock it in so that the axle will eventually just fall out with the diff. On this car, I've read about that it is a pain in the absolute ass to take the axle off without just dropping the diff completely, because you'll have to take every assembly off of the knuckle itself and then pull the knuckle with the axle still in it. I'm gonna keep going with this and I'll update you guys if and when I get it out. Guys, it's the moment of truth. Axle 1 and 2 out of the car. So after coming to the conclusion that the car was honestly not high enough up in the air to get the axles to clear the rest of the knuckle assembly, use trusty old red Pittsburgh guy, put him right here, jacked it up maybe, I'd say probably 3 inches, if that, like 3-4 inches, something like that. Jacked it up. This one was already out of the knuckle, it just wouldn't clear all the arms and whatnot. Got this guy to pop out, pulled it this way, took the hammer assembly, went off to that side over there, banged the end of the axle through, and voila, guys. Don't do this at home. I'm just gonna pull it by this EV. It's probably not a protocol right there, but there we go, boys. We have ourselves a rear, what the fuck is this called? Cut, retake. We have ourselves a rear diff right here. So these parts will actually not be for sale, and you guys are gonna see why. I'll explain it to you in a future video when we get the rest of the stuff out. My actual goal for today is to also get the transmission out from under the car. So then we will have the full 5-speed swap out of the car. Last thing to go is the motor. And then it's time to take this bad boy apart. All right, yeah, guys, let me just move this into the shed and then I'll get back to you with the tranny. All right, guys, sorry, texting. I have rust in my mouth. I can like feel it crunching around like sand. I have a dirt mustache, but as you saw, I got the diff out, yo, let's go. We are so much closer to getting that car fully done and ready for the 6-speed to go in it. I am so excited, guys. I have the boys pulling up right now because there's no way I'm gonna be able to pull the transmission myself. I mean, so
I know Connor's swinging by, Jared might swing by, even the guy Zacho might swing by. He said he's busy right now, so I don't really know. Connor said he's gonna pull up. Jared just texted me, so I gotta check that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna chill inside. I'm gonna wash the schmutz off my fucking face right now, and I'll pick up the camera when they show up. So let's do it. The homie Con just pulled up. I'll tell him to just pull up. What's good? All right, guys, we're dirty and cold. This is gonna be a conclusion to the day. Where is it? Selfie with the transmission. Got that all the way in the little wood tent in the back. I'll take you guys over to the shed piece. I totally locked it, but the diff, and the drive shaft, and then the front axles are all in there. Squatted up with the boys right now. I'm gonna try and have this video out for like tomorrow, maybe Thursday. Depends when I have time to edit. Isn't tomorrow Thursday?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
I'm fucking stupid. Okay, so tomorrow or Friday. It's brick, but I might... No, I'm definitely gonna record the boys pulling out of here because we're all fucking sick. If anything. Where did my dog keep going, by the way? Here, let me show you guys the boys' cars. Zacho. Dude, Jared's car is so fucking clean, guys. If you don't follow him on Instagram already, go follow him.
Yo, Jared, is your handle like _j.subi? J. All right, you guys heard it there. J.subi __. Go throw my guy a follow. Ben's daily. Don't even worry about it.
Yeah, don't even worry about it.
How many hella horns does this have?
4.
It's not that cold anymore.
Jesus Christ.
My neighbors are gonna hate me and you guys now. Oh my God. Connor doesn't have a muffler right now. Peace out, Ben. Damn, dude. Oh my God, bro. Everybody's gonna hate me now on this whole road. Hey, dude, Zacho's look, you got a loud car. Peace out, boss. Hey. All right, guys, that's gonna complete this video today. Shout out to the boys. I'm gonna link all their Instagrams in the description down below. They're the guys, dude. So I'm just gonna do a quick little cleanup right here. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna try and have this out for Thursday, Friday, whatever day it is. Maybe it's next week. I don't know. I'm gonna try and start getting on my stuff. I really want to get this channel successful. I really want to get us growing. I love that we already hit 100. Shout out to you guys. We really appreciate the support. Yeah, so that'll do it for today, guys. A lot more to come with this car. We still got to pull the motor. Then we got to tear apart that car. Then we got to... Actually, I can't say right now. All right, guys. So without further ado, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.